everyone. Welcome to our English podcast for beginners. My name is Anna, and today we will learn simple English together. Hi, Anna.
Hi, listeners. I am Mark. I am learning English just like you.
Great, Mark. Today we will learn greetings, numbers, days of the week, objects, food, drinks, and daily activities.
It sounds good. I want to learn step by step.
Let's start with greetings. Very simple. Listen first, then repeat. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good evening.
Good evening.
And goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good. Now let's make small sentences. Hello, Mark. How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine too. Thank you. Listeners, your turn. Repeat after Mark.
I am fine, thank you.
Now let's learn numbers. We will start with 1 to 10. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Now a little faster. 1 to 10 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Listeners, repeat with us. Mark, can you count some objects?
Sure. I see 1 pen. I see 2 cups. I see 3 books.
Good job. Very simple English. Now, days of the week. Listen slowly first. Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday,
Again, all days together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Listeners, repeat.
I like Friday.
I like Sunday. Sunday's a rest day. Next, let's talk about objects. Simple objects you see every day. A pen,
A pen,
a book,
a book,
a phone,
a phone,
a bag,
a bag,
a chair,
a chair,
a table.
a table.
Now some short sentences. This is a pen.
This is a pen.
That is a chair.
That is a chair.
Listeners, repeat. This is a pen. Great. Now let's talk about food. Easy words. Bread,
Bread,
rice,
rice,
chicken,
chicken,
fish,
fish,
apple,
apple,
banana.
banana.
Short sentences with food.
I eat bread.
I eat rice.
I like chicken.
I like apples. Listeners, repeat. I like apples. What food do you like, Mark?
I like bananas. They are sweet.
Good. I like apples. They are fresh. Now, drinks. Water,
Water,
tea,
tea,
coffee,
coffee,
juice,
juice,
milk.
milk.
Let's make easy sentences.
I drink water.
I drink tea.
I like juice.
I like coffee. Listeners, your turn. I drink water. Now, daily activities. Simple, everyday actions. I wake up.
I wake up.
I get up.
I get up.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I study English.
I study English.
I go home.
I go home.
I sleep.
I sleep.
I like coffee.
I like coffee.
Let's use short sentences in a small routine. I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
I eat breakfast at 8.
I eat breakfast at 8.
I go to work at 9.
I go to work at 9.
Listeners, repeat. I wake up at 7. Now, let's make a simple conversation using what we learned. Hello, Mark. How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What day is it today?
It is Monday.
What do you eat?
I eat bread and an apple.
What do you drink?
I drink water.
What do you do after breakfast?
I go to work.
Good. Very simple and very clear. Before we finish, let's review everything quickly.
Greetings. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, goodbye.
Numbers from 1 to 10.
Days of the week, Monday to Sunday.
Objects. Pen, book, phone, bag, chair, table.
Food, bread, rice, chicken, fish, apple, banana.
Drinks. Water, tea, coffee, juice, milk.
Activities. Wake up, get up, eat breakfast, go to work, study English, go home, sleep.
Very good. Thank you, listeners, for learning with us today.
Thank you. Keep practicing every day.
See you next time, and don't forget to follow the podcast for more lessons.
Goodbye.